Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDT from KuCoin to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, transferring assets between exchanges is a key skill to manage your portfolio efficiently. USDT, or Tether, is one of the most popular stablecoins, and moving it between platforms like KuCoin and Binance can help you take advantage of better trading opportunities or simply consolidate your funds. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it with confidence. First things first, make sure you're logged into your KuCoin account. Head over to the Assets, or Wallet section, and locate your USDT balance. Once you're there, click on Withdraw, or Transfer Out. This is where the magic happens. Now, before you proceed, double-check that you're using the correct network for USDT. Most commonly, that's TRC20 for faster and cheaper transfers, but always verify what Binance supports to avoid any issues. Next, you'll need to get your Binance wallet address. Log into your Binance account, go to the Wallet section, and select USDT. Copy the deposit address. Be extremely careful here, as pasting the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Back on KuCoin, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to send, and review the network fees. These can vary, so aim to send enough to cover costs without overdoing it. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once that's done, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on the network, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on your Binance account to confirm when the USDT arrives. A quick word of caution: always use reputable exchanges and enable security features like 2FA. Also, remember that crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check everything. There you have it. That's how you send USDT from KuCoin to Binance in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.